Hi everyone! Today we are going to learn a new chapter which is Decimals, chapter 8 from our textbook, grade 8 mathematics. Decimals kan zero na chapter 8 hianin enge decimals to mom fraction kan zero a fraction ang tia kanin decimals to it is a part of a whole. Apung puya tanga achen azarti na thawani decimals to mo ma se fraction ang law devin decimal ero to contention nazat kha alaklo lovin a intention do na ni 10 100 1000 khatyang kha na inchen do na ni chu mo 1 le 0 abula om zelang entirnan engemuni tension tool apple kha slice engzata nge slice nga a chen kha the fraction alo ni ta a tero slice nga chena slice thum te kalo lak chan 3/5 fraction alo ni ta ni ma se decimal sanga kan chan tir chuan kha 5 slice kha 10 slice a kan chuang mom 1 le 0 zelin 10 out of Katizer Khan ani lo pon 100 out of 100 out of 10 out of 1000 Katyang Khan nakaldo na ni chu chuani number system kha kan shia anga intinge ka ones tens 100 1000 10,000 katikha nakalatoro chuani ma se decimal sa chu ve thung chuan khalo lam khan ale zong in nakaldo na ni chu ones tens ones tens 100 tiakal kha decimal lama chuan decimal chu he lama hian mo ones data tens ni ve to lawin it will be the tenths mom tenth tenths hundredths mom th omzia to 1 this is the 10 times this is 100 times and the tenths will be divided by 10 100 will be divided by 100 katikana kaldona ni chu mom chuanin decimal kha entirnan pointin kan denote pointin entirnan 1/2 fraction he 1/3 sorry 1/5 hello nitani I am having a fraction of 1/5 if I am suppose he fraction he suppose I am going to convert it into decimals. How am I going to convert it into decimals? I will make the denominator equals 10 at na ibera tero 5 chuan 100 ti vel I chuan chuwang chuan 5 to get 10 I have to multiply 5 by 2 but I cannot simply multiply the denominator so I have to multiply the numerator as well by 2 so I will get 2/10 which is these fractions we can convert it into decimals like 2 after one digit there will be points hi a digit omzat turang ni 0 hi mom 1 do a 0 pakhata om chuan after 1 there will be point after one digit there will be point so ma se point ma shwai tir hi amoi lova mo zia moidan a omani zia moidan chu ama a 0 kan belang ama a 0 ka bello khan evaluate ang reng ma se ti hian a moizo kani chu zia dan all samanitani entirnan suppose I am having 2/100 now nita seng tin nge hi decimal points ka convert ang after 1 2 digit there will be points but I have only one digit so I will simply add another 0 so I have 2 digits so after 2 digit I will write points so I get 0.02 katikana ni dona chuan decimal point ka fraction na kan dadan all sum omle boka. Suppose I am having 3.75. How will I convert these decimal points into fractions? I will simply copy down the number. Fraction na ka chantir ve thung do na. A number ka copy to pa nga divided by, I will take this decimal point as 1 and put zeros to the number of digits after the decimal points. Decimal point nuwa digit zat ka, 0 zat tur khat ni. So I can add 2 zeros. Kaka decimal to fractions. Fractions to decimals. Mom. So let's try to go on with the textual questions. Exercise 8.1, question number 1. Write the following as numbers in the given table. Number 1, A. Here is the 100 table. Mo hilai ka copy do na dito. 100 place, 10 place, 1 place, and the 10th place. Chuan kan figure hi kan inang tens hi exan nge tens hi there are 1, 2, 3 tens. So in the tens I will write 3. Is there any 100? No, so I will just fill up 100 places 0. Hey hi atek sa aziang klap khan ka zia care lava. Okay, this is a table. Tihian o manitsu. Mom. And is there any ones? Yes, there is 1. Is there any tenths? Yes, there is 2 tenths. So 2. How will I write this? Ang tingye hi kasi ang 10 lir pathum to 30 plus 1 to 31. 30 tihian kaziak pays the meido na nil lockdown all sum to mo 0 atir bera chuan ziak herangai lava. So I can take 3 1 and hehi decimal. Here will be points. 31.2 ti nani hehi. Now let's look the second figure. In B, how many 100? There is 100, 100. How many tens? Again 1. Is there any ones? No, so I will just fill up a 0. How many tens? 4 tens. So how am I going to write this into numerical form? 1 1 0 1 1 0.4 is our answer. And the next question, question number 2. Write the following decimals in place value table. Hemi table ang hiyan kan endon kan ziak do na dito. Hemi table hi karing le mayang. Hemi table hi karing le mayang nga. Up to this is question number 1. Now we will go on with number 2A. 19.4. 19. 10 pakhat le 9 pakhat ani em. Ones place hey 19.4 to point ma chia hi ones place, tens place, 100 place, 1000 place kantika. So 1 is in the tens place, 9 is in the ones place, and after point in the tens place there is 4. 19.4 ni chia em ni chia draw. And what about B? 0.3. There is no 100, there is no 100, there is no tens, there is no zeros, and after decimal points there is, in the tenth place there is 3, so I get 0.3. What about number C? 10.6. There is no 100 place. In the ones. In the tens place, there is 1. In the ones place, there is 0. And after decimal point, there is, in the tenth place, there is 6. So I get 10.6. And in last one, 205. Ones, tens, hundred. Mom, ones, tens, hundred. 2 is in the hundreds place. 0 is in the tens place. 5 is in the ones place. And 9 is in the tens place. So I get 205.9. Hope you understand. Now let's try to go on with question number 3. In question number 3 also, it is given in, we are going to write this in numerical form. In words, in aron pa, numerical form in kanziak don, ani. Number 3, sub number A, 7 tenths. Tens place 7 na omati. Tens place to point kanda masazil. Point nuwa niya taro. Tens place to tens place is 7. So 0.7. But we have to put zeros at the front. Taro maa 0 kanda ang ati moinan kanti ka. Number B, 2 tens. Tens place 2. Ones place sa omlo, akar all tens le tens alron soya akar a all do na vangin akar all hi kalsan top at hey ilava so vang so I have to fill up the blank space with 0, and in the tens place there is 9. And in C, 14.6 point inaron soy vetung 14.6 tipo kana zia top tayan itu asoy dan ka aron siyang may mayani. In D, 102 ones. 102 ones. So in the 102 ones hay hindi may and 600.8 600.8. I hope you all understand. Next class we will try to go on with next question, solving the fractions, converting fractions into decimals. Okay, I will stop here for today. Thank you, class.